Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix booting takes a long time in Windows 11, 10. First method is right-click taskbar, click Task Manager. Click Startup Apps, disable all unwanted apps one by one. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type chkdsk space, /f space, /x space, /r space, /clan. Third method is type Edit Power Plan in Windows search bar, click Edit Power Plan. Click Power Options, click Choose what the power buttons do, click Change settings that are currently unavailable, uncheck Turn on Fast Startup, click Save Changes. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click Windows Update. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.